Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. In this video, I want to talk to you about Instagram for business, how to use it and how to use it without really having any technical skills, and how to use it like a total boss. So if you come to this channel for the first time, if this is the first time you see my videos, I like to talk to you about becoming a total boss of your life, being able to do the fun things you want in life, being able to have fun with your friends, but not being able to, or not having somebody else telling you what to do and where to go. And we're going to do that right here on this video. We're going to talk about Instagram. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So Instagram for business, it's one of the greatest tools right now you can use online. It's actually one of the many that you could use, but it's actually one that you could get up and get running fairly quickly. The only thing you need with Instagram is to have a smartphone, because Instagram runs on smartphone only. It doesn't run on desktop. It's not like Facebook where you can use Facebook and then you can use your smartphone. Instagram is strictly just it's just for smartphones. So it's just for smartphones with the cameras, and it has the app feature. So either iPhone or an Android. Okay, that's the only way you can use Instagram for your business. And the one thing that I built up an Instagram account of over 100,000 followers, and the way I did that is by creating value for other people. Okay, and that's the one thing I see missing with a lot of Instagram accounts out there is you have a business and you're trying to build your business, but you're not really creating value for other people. I see too many people there. It's all about them. It's all about what I can get out of it, and they don't really tend to grow their business. Okay, their business gets stalled, it gets slow, and it never really grows. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is look at your business, look at the problems that you solve. Okay, look at how your business, how your whatever it is that you're solving, look at that. And this could be for anything. It could be for your own products, it could be for your own brick and mortar company, and it also can be for affiliate marketing, which I love to talk about, because when you take affiliate marketing product, you're in business for yourself. Okay, you're taking a product, a link that solves a particular problem, and then you get to take that link and you get to put it out there in front of the right people. But first, with Instagram, you have to attract that right type of people, because people come to your Instagram page, they start liking it, they follow you, and they want to see more about what it is that you're doing. Now, Instagram is a slow process. You really have to build it up, and you got to always remember, if you're out there just taking pictures of yourself next to cars and flashing money and doing like that, and you're trying to build, people go through your links to your make money online opportunity, you're going to be struggling, and you're going to be frustrated, and you're going to wonder why it's not building. It's because it's all about you, and it's all about what it is that you can get out of it. And when you switch that and you say, you know what, let me start figuring out how I'm going to help other people, how I'm going to inspire other people to get up and get running with their business. When I do that, my Instagram account's going to start growing. People are going to start to follow me more. They're going to start to follow my accounts. They're going to see what it is that I'm posting. Okay, a couple different ways you can do Instagram. You can do it like for me, I like to inspire people, so I use a lot of inspirational quotes, a lot of images that I created with inspirational text on them, and I like to post that to my Instagram page. Now with my Instagram page, I'm looking to inspire people, but I'm also looking to generate leads. I'm also generate people to come to my business. So what I do is I have a link inside the bio. Now, every once in a while, what I'll do is I'll post an image, on my Instagram page that says, "Hey, if you want to get some information on a side business that won't interfere with your business right now, click on the link in the description in the bio." Okay, so people click on that link. They go to my landing page, they opt in, and they get some information on how to set up a business on the side. Maybe that's if they're working and they want to get a business going, this is how they do it. So building up your Instagram page is simply just taking your smartphone with you wherever you go, and you can take pictures of things that you're doing. But remember, you always want to be inspiring people that's related to your product or service. So if you have a business, let's say you're into fitness and you're trying to build up a fitness following. Well, when you're at the gym, you want to take pictures of your workouts or the weights that you're doing, okay? And I'm not talking about you showing your muscles and all the time, but just talk about different workouts that you're doing. You post some pictures of some free weights, and you talk about the workout you're doing. And what that does is people get inspired by that. If it's all about you and your muscles and how big your muscles are and how great your abs are, people aren't going to follow you, and they're not going to continue on with it because they're not really inspired by it. But if you're showing them different exercises and different ways to work out, then people are going to get inspired by that. They're going to follow you, and then you're going to be able to grow your business that way. Same thing with marketing in general. You could be out living the lifestyle. You could be out going around the world and traveling and taking pictures of wherever you're at and just say, hey, I'm able to live the Total Boss lifestyle. I'm traveling all around and I can do these fun things with my laptop, and this is what I do and this is how I do it, okay? That's going to be inspiring people. Now, if you're just taking pictures of you next to a Lamborghini that you saw parked next to the street and you're claiming this is yours and this is how you live the lifestyle, you're not going to be able to grow your business like that. People are just going to read through it, they're going to see it, and they're just going to see you as a fake, and that's not going to really help people build their business. Okay, so building your business through Instagram is going to be one of the easiest ways to do it. Now, here's another thing that's so important is you got to be consistent with your Instagram posts. Now, you get excited and you say, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to get an Instagram account. I'm going to start throwing pictures up. I'm going to start building this. I'm going to build my business to, big heights. And then you do it for a couple of weeks, and then it's like, well, let me move on to something else. And that's where so many people get it wrong. You got to be consistent with this over and over and over again. It may take you a year to start seeing any really traction coming with your Instagram page. But is it worth it? Well, absolutely, because after the year, you're going to have hundreds of thousands of followers. You're going to be able to get tons and tons of leads for your business, and your business is going to grow. But you have to put in that effort in order to get it to grow. And it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time to network with other people. You want to reach out to other people that have similar type of account sizes with your Instagram page and ask to do a shout out to each other. So what you would do is you would take one of their pictures, put it on your Instagram page, and then you say, hey, check out my friend's page. And they would do the same. They would take one of your pictures and they would put it on their Instagram page, and they would say, hey, check out my friend's page. And so what you're doing is you're swapping traffic. That's how you build your Instagram account super fast and big, is by swapping traffic. Now, you can go out there and you can buy shout outs from big accounts. I want you to be careful with that, because there's a lot of times that people will shout out, but you're not actually giving you really good quality people on your Instagram account. So just be careful with when you're doing that. Don't spend a ton of money. Just test it here and there until you find somebody who's good and who's sending really good followers, because there's a lot of fake accounts out there, and all they're doing is taking advantage of people that are trying to build their Instagram account. So don't get taken like that. Be careful with it. Test it. Test small and see how it works. If it works great, then you can expand. But always test small here and there. Just small little tests. Never go big. Never spend a ton of money to try to build up your Instagram account, because you'll lose the money very quickly. And I don't want you to do that. I want you to test, find what works, and then you spend the money when you find out what's working, okay? Because not all the times the road to success with your Instagram account is not always going to be this straight, narrow road. I mean, it's not going to be like you're going to watch somebody's video like this and they're going to say, this is the path to go down. It's going to take a lot of zigzag and a lot of tweaking and a lot of testing in order to get it running, in order to get it going where you want it to get it going, okay? So that's going to help you build your Instagram page. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.